everyone. Welcome back to Just English Talk. In today's video, we'll practice 100 daily English conversation questions and answers in 5 different real-life scenarios. These are practical, easy, and super useful for everyday English. Let's begin. Scenario 1. At a cafe. Can I see the menu, please? Sure, here you go. What do you recommend? The cappuccino is very popular. Do you have non-dairy milk? Yes, we have almond and oat milk. Is this seat taken? No, it's free. Can I get a black coffee? Of course, 1 black coffee coming up. How much is the sandwich? It's $5. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we do. Can I have some water? Yes, here you are. Is Wi-Fi available here? A. Yes, the password is on the receipt. Can I have this to go? Sure, I'll pack it up for you. Do you have any vegetarian options? Yes, we have a veggie wrap. Is it self-service? No, we'll bring it to your table. How long will it take? About 5 minutes. Can I get extra sugar? Yes, here you go. Do you have free refills? Yes, unbrewed coffee. Is the cake fresh? Yes, it was baked this morning. Can I pay later? Sorry, payment is at the counter. Do you serve breakfast all day? No, only until 11 a.m. Is outside seating available? Yes, in the back garden. Can I split the bill? Yes, no problem. Scenario 2. At work. Did you finish the report? Yes, I emailed it this morning. Can we meet after lunch? Sure, what time? Do you have a pen? Yes, here you go. When is the deadline? It's Friday at 5 p.m. Can you join the call? Yes, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Who's leading the meeting? Sarah is. Where is the printer? It's next to the kitchen. Can you help me with this file? Sure, send it over. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, in the afternoon. Do we have enough copies? Yes, I printed 20. Can you explain this chart? Yes, it shows last month's sales. Who approved this project? The manager did. Are you working late today? Yes, I have a deadline. Can I leave early? Yes, just let the manager know. Where's the meeting room? On the 2nd floor. Is the internet working? Yes, it was fixed this morning. Can we reschedule the meeting? Sure. When is better for you? Do you need any help? Yes, with the presentation. How long is the break? 30 minutes. Are you joining us for lunch? Yes, I'll come along. Scenario 3. At the supermarket shopping cart. Where can I find the bread? It's in aisle 3. Do you sell organic vegetables? Yes, they're over there. How much are the apples? $2 per kilo. Is this on sale? Yes, 20% off today. Do you have a shopping basket? Yes, near the entrance. Can I pay by card? Yes, we accept all cards. Do you have plastic bags? Yes, but they cost extra. Can I try a sample? Yes, please go ahead. Is there a discount for bulk buying? Yes, if you buy 10 packs. Where is the checkout counter? Straight ahead. Do you sell frozen food? Yes, in the back section. What time do you close? We close at 10 p.m. Can I return this item? Yes, within 7 days. Is there a restroom here? Yes, near the dairy section. Do you sell bakery items? Yes, fresh bread and cakes daily. Can I pay with cash? Yes, of course. Do you deliver groceries? Yes, we offer. Fair home delivery. Where are the spices? On aisle 5. Is there a loyalty program? Yes, you can sign up at the counter. Can I get this item gift wrapped? Yes, at the customer service desk. Scenario 4. At the airport. Where is the check-in counter? It's over there, near gate 2. Can I check in online? Yes, 24 hours before departure. How many bags can I carry? 1 cabin bag and 1 personal item. What's the baggage allowance? 20 kilos for economy class. Where is security check? After the check-in counters. Do I need to remove my laptop? Yes, please place it in a separate tray. Where is the boarding gate? Gate number 12. What time is boarding? At 5:30 p.m. Is the flight on time? Yes, it's on schedule. Can I upgrade my seat? Yes, at the check-in desk. Where can I find a taxi stand? Outside the arrivals hall. Do you have free Wi-Fi? Yes, connect with your phone number. Where is the lounge? On the 2nd floor. Can I get a window seat? Yes, if available. How long is the flight? Around 6 hours. Is there a duty-free shop? Yes, after the security check. Where can I exchange money? At the currency exchange counter. Can I carry water through security? No, only empty bottles allowed. Where is baggage claim? On the ground floor. What should I do if my luggage is lost? Report it to the lost luggage desk. Scenario 5. With friends. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. How about you? What are your weekend plans? I'm going hiking. Do you want to grab lunch? Sure, let's go. Have you seen this movie? Yes, it was great. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Can I borrow your book? Of course, take it. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Are you free tonight? Yes, let's hang out. Do you like music? Yes, I love pop music. What are you studying? I'm studying computer science. Do you watch TV shows? Yes, I watch them on weekends. How was your trip? It was amazing. Do you want to join the party? Yes, count me in. What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 7 p.m. Do you like coffee or tea? I prefer coffee. Have you finished your homework? Not yet, I'll do it tonight. Can we play a game? Sure, let's play cards. What's your favorite hobby? I like painting. Do you use social media? Yes, almost every day. Do you want to travel together? Yes, that sounds fun. Great job. You just practiced 100 daily English conversation questions and answers across real-life situations. The more you repeat these, the more natural your English will sound in everyday life. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more easy English lessons, and share this with friends who are learning English too. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English with confidence. Great job! You just practiced 100 daily English conversation questions and answers across real-life situations.